Hello guys, I'm Christina and I have decided to make a video on a little Lithuanian words tutorial. And for in Lithuanian, for the word hello or hi, we are saying labas. Well, it's kind of not formal and you can say it to your friends. Labas, hi, labas. If you want to say it in a more formal way, for example, good morning, we are saying labas rytas. Good morning, labas rytas. For good afternoon, we are saying laba diena. Good afternoon, laba diena. And for good evening, we are saying labas vakaras. Good evening, labas vakaras. So, these are the phrases that you can say for your friends. Labas, and more formal ways to say it, labas rytas, laba diena, labas vakaras. So thank you for your attention and see you.